Okay, so here we go. Section 10.9, last section of chapter 10, which is about arc length, and we've already talked about arc length before, so this should be pretty easy. We are just going to do a couple of examples. You remember the formula to figure out the arc length. The thing is that a lot of these diagrams, you might not even need to use it. You kind of have to be creative in figuring out perimeters that they're looking for. So for example, if we take this track, say from track and field, and you needed to figure out what the perimeter is, and we know that the distance across is 8 units, and then the straightaway part is 100, all we have to do is figure out what the curved part is on either side. So if you think about it, if I were to kind of cut this off, I would end up getting a rectangle here. And by cutting this off and taking the rectangle out, I basically have a semicircle here and a semicircle here that I can kind of squish together to make one complete circle. So if you're trying to figure out the perimeter, you're going to take the 100 plus the 100, and then the perimeter of a circle that has a diameter of 8. So 100 plus 100, and then the formula to find the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So if the r is 4, that's going to be 8 pi. So there's your perimeter. That wasn't too bad, right? Okay, well, you do have some other questions where you will have to use your arc length formula. So for example, something like this, where you have a portion of an arc that's attached to a triangle. And you'd have to figure out the measure of the angle that's related to the arc in order to use your arc length formula. So in this case, they're telling us that L is the center of a circle with a radius of LK. And so this is only a part of the circle. We could continue this around and draw the entire thing if we really wanted to, but we don't need to. They want us to figure out the perimeter of this whole shape. So if this, and that are all 6, that means it's an equilateral triangle, and therefore this angle is 60 degrees, which means this arc is also 60 degrees. So if you remember, to figure out arc length, if we wanted to just find the length of JK, we're going to take 60 and divide it by 360 and multiply by the circumference. So circumference is 2 pi r. When you simplify that down, your arc length comes out to be 2 pi. So if we want the perimeter of the sector, all we're going to do is take the 6 plus the 6 plus the 2 pi and simplify. There you have it. That's it. Okay, hopefully this section won't be very challenging for you guys, and you can get through it rather quickly. All right, that's the end of chapter 10. Yay, happy dance. Bye.